Nasurok pito kasot ng partisiparte Ilocano Dialogue on the West Philippine Sea nga naanga iti Ilocano Cultural Center iti Sirad ti Batak. Karaman ito iti youth sectors, academe, national and local government agencies, ken religious sector. Gagam ti dialogo nga may pakamu ka na itatutubo kay komunidad iti issue ti West Philippine Sea. Ni paimet ti feature presentation ni retired Senior Justice Antonio Carpio, National Maritime Council spokesperson Alexander Lopez, retired US Air Force Colonel Ray Powell, U.S. Ambassador of the Philippines, Lee Lipton, para international law, maritime security, and regional developments ti Indo-Pacific region. Kang rambag na sangaili ni DND Secretary Gilberto Chodoro.
What is the provocation? Our exercises or their illegal narratives and occupation? Secondly, if China takes these exercises as a provocation, then it means to say they have a bad intention in the first place. If they had all good intentions, they would not take these exercises or name it as a provocation. Let me tell you what happened the other day. They launched a submarine ballistic missile to the South Pacific. Is that not provocative? For what purpose? Why did they do that? They conducted unilateral military operations off the coast of Australia, giving little, if no, notice, which caused the diversion of 50 flights and put people at risk.
Idol Dennis Alipio, Tatak, IFM.